Good morning, students. In previous class, I had solved some problems from exercise 4.1. Today, I am going to solve question number 2 of exercise 4.1. In question number 2, we are given represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equations. निम्नलिखित स्थितियों में द्विघात समीकरण के रूप में व्यक्त करें. रिप्रेजेंट द फॉलोइंग सिचुएशंस इन द फॉर्म ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस. It is not necessary to solve this problem, but only we have to represent. Only we have to find out the equation from the given situation. Then question number 1 is the area of a rectangular plot is 528 square meter. The length of the plot is one more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. In question number 4.1 exercise 4.1, we have to find the length of the rectangular plot and also we have to represent equations. Exercise 4.1. Question number 2. Let us consider that length of a rectangular plot B x twice its breadth. Let breadth be x meter. Because we are given the length of the plot is one more than twice its breadth. Let breadth be x meter, then length is equal to one more than twice its breadth. 2x plus 1. We know that area of a rectangular plot is equal to length into breadth. Area is equal to given area बराबर 2 into 528 square meter. Now, according to formula, A is equal to L into B. या 528 is equal to L, 2x plus 1 into x. Length into breadth. या 528 is equal to 2x square plus x अथवा 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. This represents a quadratic equation, and we have to find the situations given in question 2. In question number 2, 2x square plus x minus 521 is equal to 0, where x is breadth of the plot. In question number 2, in 2 number, the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. Product of two consecutive positive integers. क्रमागत दो पूर्णांकों का गुणनफल दिया हुआ है 306 है. इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, क्रमागत दो धनात्मक पूर्णांकों का गुणनफल 306 दिया है. वी नीड टू फाइंड द इंटीजर्स. हमें पूर्णांक ज्ञात करने की ज़रूरत है. let the first integer be अथवा let the two consecutive positive integers be. Let two consecutive positive integers be x and x plus 1, because if one is positive integer, then next positive integer will be x plus 1, because we are asked two consecutive positive integers. According to question, the product of two consecutive positive integers is equal to 306. So we can write in form of equation x into x plus 1 is equal to x into x plus 1 is equal to 306, या x square plus x is equal to 306, या x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. This is, it represents a quadratic equation. It represents a quadratic equation. Which represents a quadratic equation. So, in this way, according to question, we can find a quadratic equation. Here, in question number 2, we are asked the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. Let us suppose that two consecutive positive integers be x and x plus 1. Because if one is positive integer, then the next positive integer will be x plus 1. Then according to question, the product of two consecutive integers is given 306. So we can write in form of equation x into x plus 1 is equal to 306. Yeah, multiplying by x square plus x is equal to 306. Yeah, x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0 by side same, which represents a quadratic equation. Now we will solve question number 3 and 4 of exercise 4.1. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their age in years, 3 years from now, will be 360. We would like to find Rohan's present age. First of all, we consider that the present age of Rohan be x years. Then after that, we can find the mother's age. So let present age of Rohan. Let Rohan's present age be x years. Let Rohan's present age be x years. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Then mother's age is equal to x plus 23 years, 26, x plus 26 years. According to question, second part of the question, the product of their age 3 years from now will be 360. Here we have present age bx years, then after 3 years their age will be x plus 3, and after 3 years the mother's age will be x plus 26 plus 3, and their product is 360. According to question, after 3 years, after 3 years, Rohan's age, after 3 years, Rohan's age will be x plus 3 years, and after 3 years, mother's age, after 3 years, mother's age will be x plus 26 plus 3 is equal to x plus 29 years. Now the product of their age after 3 years is 360. So according to condition, x plus 3 into x plus 26 is equal to 360. Multiplying x plus 3 by x plus 26 is equal to x plus 3 by x plus 29. X plus 3 by into x plus 29. Multiplying, we have x square plus 29x plus 3x is equal to 32x plus 29 3 ja 87 is equal to 360. X square plus 32x plus 87 minus 360 is equal to 0. X square plus 32x minus 10 7 3 515 में से 8 273 is equal to 273 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the given condition. Let Rohan's present age be x years. Then mother's age is x plus 26, because mother is 26 years older than Rohan's age. So mother's age will be x plus 26 years. After 3 years, the product of their age will be 360. So after 3 years, Rohan's age will be x plus 3 years. We add 3 in present age, and after 3 years, mother's age will be x plus 29 years. Then according to question, x plus 3 into x plus 29 is equal to 360. Multiplying, we have x square plus 32x minus 273 is equal to 0. So this is the equation from the given condition. X square plus 23x, 32x minus 27 is equal to 0. Now only one more question. 4 number is left in this exercise, and you can try, but only one question is left.